French lovers, this is Salut French Learning YouTube channel. Are you still using just au revoir to end your conversation with someone? If your answer is yes, watch this video till the end because I am going to teach you lots of other words you can use instead of au revoir. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Au revoir is a common way to say goodbye in French, but you can also use salut. Repeat after me, salut. Yes, this word may be familiar to you because you may use it up to now to say hi or hey. I mean bonjour in French. But this word can also be used to say goodbye. À bientôt. À bientôt. If you want to express that you want to see someone very soon, you can use à bientôt. It means see you later. The next word is à la prochaine. À la prochaine. If you want to express that you want to see someone next time. À la prochaine is friendly and casual, so just use it with your friends. Have you heard the Italian word ciao? Ciao in French means goodbye. Repeat after me, ciao. The next word is adieu. Adieu is a more formal way to say goodbye, and it is used when you might not see someone for a long time. Use adieu in this situation. When you're planning to meet someone later in a day, use à tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. Let's make it clear. For example, you meet one of your colleagues at 9 o'clock in the morning, and you want to meet again that person at 7 o'clock in the evening. At this time, you use à tout à l'heure. Similar to the previous expression, I mean à tout à l'heure, we have à plus tard. À plus tard means see you later. If you want to let someone know you are leaving, use je m'en vais. Je m'en vais. It means I'm leaving. What if someone is going on a trip and you want to say have a good trip, for example? Use bon voyage. Bon voyage. Let's share our knowledge together. Do you know any other words that can be used to say goodbye in French? Write down in the comments.